Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade Forex. Right now what you need to know that you need to select right here the CFD option to get the Forex option. Because right now if I'm sitting here in my home tab, you will find right here Forex. And if you want to trade on Forex, we need to select right here a Forex. So let's do Euro to US dollar. And then if you can see, we can sell and we can buy. So let's say we want to buy, we click here on buy. You can fill in right here the value that you want to buy, or if you click right here on the two arrows, you can add a quantity. So let's do a quantity of 100. Then we can click right here on take profit if you want to take profit. We can click here on stop loss if you want to add a stop loss, or if you want to do risk management, you can click right there on those options. And then right here do confirm buy. And now we just have a position right here on Euro to US dollar. So this is how you can trade Forex on Trading212. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.